Hello to everyone who's going to be watching this video. I'm going to be picking this single-sided wafer look, similar to the one in the last video. I'm going to be using the snake rake, the tension wrench obviously, and perhaps a half diamond pick if I need to do any precision work. Now, without further ado, I should get started. It's currently open, so I'm going to lock it. There we go. We now have it open. Except the stupid ledge here is in the way of me getting a full rotation in one go. There we go. It's now locked. Now we are going to open it. I realised that wasn't much hassle. How can a retard could do this? Some Down syndrome. No offense to anyone with Down syndrome, but it is frightfully easy. Having said that, I'm now going to fail this blatantly. There we go. And I've locked it again. Damn it. Oh, and I've opened it. God damn it. I have to get stuck there. This is taking slightly more effort than I first anticipated. There we go, it's past it. And it's unlocked. Now, it's the beautiful British countryside. Oh, estate. Now, wasn't that rewarding? Now, my tools. I forgot to mention this in my last video, so I'm going to mention them now. There they all are. Got them for about 20 quid, perhaps, including that, which is equivalent to, I don't know, $25 or something if you're watching this and you live in the States. You got all those lovely picks there, plus the tension wrench. Bye-bye.